What's up, guys? So, since last filming, I got a lot done. I got all of the wire harness run all the way through the engine bay and the fender walls. I also got the master cylinder swapped over. I modified and installed my Grimspeed master cylinder brace. I am currently fixing my brake lines. I got that one done. I am redoing the one for the interior. Instead of having it come through that side and over this way, I'm having it come through the driver's side and along the tunnel. I'm going to also be installing the hydro. I'm doing that right now. As you can see, I got all the bulkhead harness stuff buttoned up, plugged in place. For the most part, that's like 80% done. So, I've been a bit busy little fucker lately. But next, after I'm done doing this brake line, I'm going to move on to, I don't know, might start taking the motor out of that thing, see how things go. But yeah, stay tuned. So I have the hydro set up. I have the brake bias mounted over there to a factory bolt-on mounting point. Then I have the hydro bolted down to a bracket that was welded in by the previous owner for this setup. And then I plumbed it all the way back to the rear line that I already ran. It's pretty straightforward setup. It's going to take a little while to figure out where the brake bias needs to be front and rear, so that'll be some trial and error. But the hydro setup is now plumbed in, so for the brake system to be complete, all I have to do is reinstall the calipers, the ones on the Forester, and bleed the brakes, and that should be it for the brake system. 100% done. Just gotta install the calipers, and that will happen when the Forester gets completely stripped. But not sure what else I'm going to do. Let's see what else I can poke around and get done, because tomorrow is the day when I'm planning on actually dropping the transmission, drivetrain, all that stuff, pulling the motor out. So we'll see what else I can do today. Good morning, guys. So today I got a lot done. I removed the power steering from the motor. I did a lot of other stuff. My brain's kind of fried. I dropped the exhaust, as you can see, as one complete unit. I dropped the drive shaft, and I spent majority of the day dropping the rear cross member. The biggest issue I had with dropping the cross member, some of the factory body nuts that are welded in, like inside the chassis, broke free on the driver's side. So I had to, I'll just show you, I had to butcher, and I mean butcher, this right here to get access to the top. I'm not sure if you can see that. I can barely see that. And needless to say, it was still a bitch. Even after I was able to get to the top of them to put a wrench on the actual nut, it was a bitch. I was hating life. But I got it done. I dropped the cross member. I have to undo the strut so I can pull the cross member along with the hubs out. And then I'm gonna stop right at that point, because it's getting kind of late. There's neighbors around here. I don't really want to cause too much of a ruckus. But tomorrow, undo the struts, drop the gas tank, fuck with the gas lines, and then I'm going to reinstall the gas tank over onto this chassis, the Racecar, and then everything in reverse. Put no, I gotta swap over the cross members. the rear one, because I got a STI one which has better bracing in it. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Long day. But yeah, swap that shit over. Once that's all set, maybe put the shit one from this car. Yeah, it's back there. On the car, just so it's a roller. And then I'm also going to pull the motor, which the motor won't take long to pull. That's easy. Just the two studs on the motor mounts, and then the 8 on the back of the bell housing for the tranny that holds the motor together. Pull that up, and then drop in the transmission. Super easy. That's just 6 bolts. A couple 14s and a couple 17s, so drop that. Once that's done, the chassis can go fucking bye-bye. I think I might steal some of the harnesses out of the doors, but that's about it. Everything else I have should be it. I'm probably going to keep the hood mounted on the wall just for, you know, memories. I don't fucking know. But keep the hood. I might cut off a door skin just so I have the racing numbers. But yeah, I can call someone up to have them take the chassis away. Once I drop the gas tank and this stuff, it's already dead to me, but it's of no further use to me, and then I can go ham on this bad boy. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see how tomorrow goes. Kind of fucking tired. My head's kind of fried. It was hot today. Fat boy was sweating, but that's it. It's finally nice out. I've been waiting for it. Can't complain. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully, I don't know if I'll be turnkey tomorrow. I wanted to have it actually running tomorrow, but it's quite a feat. I might be fat and lazy and sleep in a little bit. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, who knows? Maybe turnkey tomorrow. We'll see. Thanks for watching.